All right, the drink we're about to make is called Big Bamboo. Let's go ahead and put some ice in our mixing glass. And we're going to measure out 3/4 of an ounce of 151. All right. And also 3/4 of an ounce of light rum. And follow that up with 1/4 of an ounce of triple sec. All right. Now we're going to add equal parts of 3 things, starting with orange juice, followed by pineapple juice, and bringing up the rear, sour mix. Let's grab our trusty shaker, give it a couple shakes. All right, go ahead and take your glass. Man, this is a good time. Pour it in, and we're going to garnish it with an orange and a cherry. All right, that's a Big Bamboo. Bottoms up.